Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus, and let me share with you how to enable the eye comfort mode on this device. So I'd like to start with the customization of this mode, and after that I'll show you much faster access to it. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find the display. Then let's localize the eye comfort shield, which is basically the eye comfort mode in this device, and tap on it. As you can see, we can turn it on without any kind of customization just by using this switcher, and thanks to it your device will apply the this yellowish shield. You can see that the screen is maybe even amber. It is basically in order to filter the blue light. What's more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light, so if you're a night owl, then I highly recommend to use this mode. Let's tap on it to customize it, and as you can see, we can either use the adaptive option, which means that your device will automatically adapt the intensity of the eye comfort shield accordingly to the time of the day, or you can set it custom, so you can freely choose the color, temperature, or set the schedule. So with this switcher, by going to the left, we can make this eye comfort shield cooler, so it is not really that visible, and by going to the right, we can make it much warmer. As you can see, it is basically orange. Of course, set it just like you want to on the option which is most comfortable for you. You can set the schedule, so currently we've got it always on, which means that this option is manual. You will have to manually turn it on and off. We've got the option sunset to sunrise, which means that your device will automatically decide when the sunsets and sunrises are. It is location based, and it will apply the eye comfort shield accordingly. And you can set the custom option, so you can freely choose the start and the end time. It's up to you. As you can see, it will be immediately turned off because we are not between the set schedule. I prefer the always on option. What is more, here you've got the enhanced comfort. You can turn it on and off, and basically it will adjust the colors and the contrast for better viewing the text, for example, at night. So it's up to you. Alright, so this is the whole customization, and if you'd like to have much faster access to this option, simply unroll the top bar. We have to unroll it fully, so be able to choose to see all of the icons here. And as you can see, it is basically not here because it is right there, so under this bar, which will allow you to change the brightness of the screen. So that's quite new. So all we have to do is to simply tap on the eye comfort shield to apply it, and tap on it to turn it off. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.